Uses of trigonometry. Right, to represent complicated shapes like circles and waves, we can use trigonometry. So I have a program, right? Here is where you're using your trigonometric functions, okay? So just two lines and everything else is to print and all of that. So using just two lines, I can show a complicated wave structure. See, this is wave and I have two waves over there, right? So this complicated wave can be shown with the help of trigonometric function, right? I can even generate circle. To be honest, I have not used trigonometry over here, but I'm just showing you that yes, we can. Okay, wait, just a minute. Yeah, so we can generate circles of different radius, something like this. So it is possible using trigonometry. Here I've done a bit of complicated math, not too complicated to be frank, but yeah, this too can be generated using trigonometry. So to represent complicated shapes, we can use trigonometry to measure things, right? This is a topic that we'll be seeing later under application of trigonometry. So if you think, since you can measure, I think people in space scientists, I mean astronomers, civil engineers, architect, navigation, that is to navigate through things, right? So in all of these places, trigonometry is used. I mean, again, this is a small list of things. There are plenty of things that I have left out. It helps in talking about forces. Okay, so when we talk about force, obviously wherever a force is applied, pretty much everywhere force is applied. Something like flight engineering, obviously, astronomy, civil engineering, architecture, criminology. Criminology is wherein you analyze the crime scene and all of that. So in all of these places, you can use trigonometry. Okay, so even in games, to be frank, everything in games is simulated with the help of physics. That in turn is physics. When I tell physics, it is to do with force, and thus again trigonometry comes into picture. So even in gaming, they make it realistic with the help of trigonometry. It's a part of it, right? To talk about motion. So obviously, if you talk about force, force leads to motion. So we can talk about projectile motion, right? So all of these motions, any complicated motion also can be shown with the help of trigonometry. So projectile motion is something like this. When you throw a ball, the ball moves through a projectile motion. Okay. So yeah, I mean, this is a small list of things. I hope you appreciate the topic you're going to learn, right? And I hope you enjoy this topic. So people who are going to take science, this is an important topic. For non-science kids also, I mean, this is a topic which you can really apply. I try to teach you guys in the easiest way possible. So learn it, and in time I'll be adding things wherein you can understand the application a lot more. Okay, so yeah, hope you enjoy this topic.